What if I told you there's one simple, natural addition you can make to your morning coffee that could reignite your energy, boost stamina, and make your mornings feel young again? Most people over 60 start their day with coffee, but they unknowingly miss a single step that can make all the difference in how alert, strong, and alive they feel throughout the day. It's not a pill, it's not a supplement, and it's not another caffeine trick. It's something that works with your body's own systems to restore that vibrant spark you thought you'd lost. Stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you the uses, making process, and key benefits of this powerful remedy step by step. I'm Dr. Evelyn Ross, a certified urologist with 20 years of experience, and if you're serious about improving your health naturally, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs it, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Over the past 10 years, I've worked with thousands of men and women over 50 who struggle with low energy, poor stamina, and that frustrating morning sluggishness that seems impossible to shake off. I've spent years studying how natural foods, herbs, and daily habits affect our hormonal balance, blood circulation, and vitality, especially in the golden years. The truth is, our bodies don't lose energy because we age. We lose energy because our cells stop receiving the right nourishment, the small, everyday nutrients that support blood flow, oxygen delivery, and steady metabolism. And what if I told you that something as simple as what you add to your morning coffee can help bring that back? Let's break this down step by step. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed it. Your mornings feel slower, your energy takes longer to kick in, and sometimes, even after a full night's sleep, you still feel tired. It's not in your head. After 50, your mitochondria, the energy factories of your cells, start slowing down. Blood circulation isn't as efficient, testosterone or estrogen levels drop, and your digestive enzymes don't work as quickly as they used to. It's like trying to drive a car with a clogged fuel line. You're pressing the gas, but the energy isn't flowing properly. And here's the kicker: coffee, while helpful, can also stress your adrenal glands if taken alone, especially on an empty stomach. It gives you a quick jolt, but not sustainable energy. What your body actually needs is a natural compound that supports your metabolism, stabilizes blood sugar, improves circulation, and enhances nutrient absorption. That's where our powerful morning addition comes in. The secret: honey and cardamom. When you add a teaspoon of pure honey and a pinch of cardamom to your morning coffee, something remarkable happens inside your body. Let's break it down. Honey is one of the oldest energy tonics known to humankind. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Ayurvedic healers all used honey not just as food, but as medicine. Why is it so special for seniors? Because honey contains natural glucose and fructose, which are instantly absorbed and converted into energy without spiking blood sugar like refined sugar does. When your cells receive this steady energy, you feel more alert, focused, and balanced, not jittery. But honey also does something deeper. It supports nitric oxide production, a compound that keeps your blood vessels flexible and promotes healthy blood flow, essential for both energy and stamina. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition found that regular consumption of honey improved antioxidant levels and vascular function in older adults. How to use it: add 1 teaspoon of raw or organic honey to your coffee after brewing. Never boil honey. High heat destroys its enzymes. Stir well and let it melt naturally. Cardamom is often called the queen of spices, and for good reason. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils that rejuvenate your digestive system and boost circulation. In Ayurveda, cardamom has been used for centuries to improve metabolism, blood flow, and lung capacity, all vital for maintaining stamina after 60. It contains cineol and limonene, natural compounds that help your blood vessels relax and improve oxygen delivery throughout your body, making your morning energy feel more natural and sustained. Cardamom also reduces acidic buildup caused by coffee, protecting your stomach and making your brew smoother and easier to digest. How to use it: Crush 1 to 2 green cardamom pods, or use a pinch of cardamom powder and add it directly to your brewed coffee. Alternatively, simmer it with your coffee beans or grounds before brewing for a fragrant, rich aroma. Now, here's where the real magic happens. When honey and cardamom are combined, they amplify each other's effects. Honey provides quick, clean energy, while cardamom enhances blood circulation and oxygen flow. Together, they make your morning coffee not just a beverage, but a natural energy tonic. This combo supports the adrenal glands, balances cortisol, and prevents that late morning crash that many people experience after coffee alone. In traditional Persian and Indian medicine, this blend was often used by older adults and warriors to maintain stamina, focus, and vitality well into their later years. Now you might be wondering, how do you easily add this into your daily life without making it complicated? It's simple. Step 1. Brew your regular morning coffee. Step 2. Add a pinch of cardamom powder or crush 1 pod directly into the cup. Step 3. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey after the coffee has cooled slightly, around 120 degrees or 50 degrees. That's it. For best results, avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, as they counteract honey's natural benefits. If you enjoy milk in your coffee, go for almond milk or oat milk, which blend beautifully with honey and cardamom. Want to make it even easier? Prepare a pre-mixed jar. Mix 3 tablespoons of honey with ½ teaspoon of cardamom powder in a small jar. Each morning, just add a spoonful to your coffee. You'll notice within days your mornings feel lighter, more focused, and steadier. Now, let's talk about balance and safety. While honey and cardamom are natural, they should be used in moderation. Diabetics. Consult your doctor before using honey regularly, as it still contains natural sugars. Allergies. Some individuals may have mild sensitivities to cardamom. Start with a small amount. Caffeine sensitivity. This remedy works best when paired with moderate coffee intake. 1 to 2 cups a day is ideal. Remember, this isn't a miracle potion. It's a gentle daily practice that supports your natural energy systems. Always check with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have heart, blood pressure, or blood sugar concerns. Let's make this real. Here's your 15-day honey plus cardamom coffee challenge. Days 1-3. Start your day with 1 cup of coffee, plus honey plus cardamom combo. Note how your digestion and alertness feel after 1 hour. Days 4-7. Gradually replace sugar or sweeteners with honey completely. Observe your morning mood and energy consistency. Days 8-10. Add light movement or stretching after your morning coffee to boost circulation. Track your stamina and alertness during morning tasks. Days 11-15. Maintain the habit daily. You'll likely notice fewer mid-morning crashes, better focus and memory, smoother digestion, more balanced energy all day. Write down your progress, how you feel, how your mornings start, and how your mood stabilizes. This helps you stay consistent and see real results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use an energy boost. And tell me in the comments, which one are you going to try first? Honey, cardamom, or both? Your feedback helps me reach more people and continue sharing natural, science-backed tips like this. Remember this, your body is still capable of amazing things, no matter your age. Energy doesn't come from caffeine or sugar alone. It comes from how well your cells breathe, how well your blood flows, and how gently you nourish yourself each day. So tomorrow morning, when you brew your coffee, think of it not as a routine but as a ritual of renewal. A small act that says, I'm taking charge of my energy. I'm choosing vitality. Because small daily habits create powerful long-term results. This simple honey and cardamom coffee ritual could be the key to unlocking the vibrant mornings you deserve. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.